Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to do uh, sweet potato dumpling. Alright, so I have some nutmeg here, black pepper. You're going to need sugar as well, and I use brown sugar. I have a piece of coconut because I had used some yesterday, and I have a half of sweet potato and of course flour. So here, the easiest thing for me to do is to grate the nutmeg. Grate like half of it, not the whole thing. This is just going to give it flavor. And you have they have different types of the vanilla extract or essence you could use. And I got black pepper, of course, give it a little spice, Yeah, flavor, spice, all that. And yeah, let's get down to business, shall we? Alright guys, so I got my sweet potato. I'm about to grate this whole thing, and I'm gonna grate all the coconut that I have. So you could use a blender, but as I told you guys, I don't do blenders. When you grate it, it tastes better that way. I could literally tell when somebody blend theirs, but I'm used to doing everything from scratch, so I'm gonna grate mine's this, and I'm gonna grate all of this, the coconut that I have. All right guys, this is a update right here. How it look, grated, the half a potato, and I'm gonna grate this other piece of coconut that I have left. So yeah, this is the update. And of course I have my flour. If you don't have no nutmeg, you could grate some cinnamon to give it that cinnamon flavor, Yeah, and don't forget about your essence. So, and brown sugar, you're gonna need sugar. And I prefer brown sugar than the white sugar. That's just me, that's my preference. Have my black pepper right there. Yeah. Alright guys, this is how it look. I'm gonna add some sugar, flour, all that jazz, you feel me? Alright, right here I just add some flour. I'm gonna put some sugar in there, try to mix it up, and I'm gonna add some water as well. Pour some of that put a little black pepper in there as well, and mix it up. It can't be too wet, can't be too dry. You got to be just right, just like you're doing boiled dumpling. Basically, you got to knead it, properly, just like you're doing boiled dumpling. So it's no biggie. You'll learn. All right, it's not all the way there yet because it's still kind of wet. So I'm gonna just knead it up, and I'm gonna add a little bit more touch of flour, as you can see. Like add a little bit more flour. Can't be too wet. So I'm gonna add a little bit more flour towards it and knead it up properly. You feel me? Yeah. Yeah. It's coming in. Make sure you're not supposed to be too wet, so you feel me? If you do anything and it sticks, try to add a little bit more flour. Not that much, but a little bit, because you don't want to add too much flour as well, so you just have to be right. Yeah, just have to be right, guys. Alright, that's how it looks. And here I'm gonna add some salt, and I'm gonna add some oil in the water and wait until it start boiling. The salt just give it some flavor. And gotta add some oil. That's some of my favorite oil left. Let's put like a quart full, and that'll be good. Alright, there you go. Put a quart full of oil. Put it on high, the front, this one, put it on high, and wait till it start boiling, and I'm going to try to get those separated, Yeah. Alright, what I did here, I put some flour in the plate, so when I separate them, they don't stick to the plate when I'm about to put them inside of the pot. So yeah. Alright, so that's what I have. I still have a little piece left in there, and I'm still waiting for this pot to basically boil up. So yeah, can't wait to drop them in. Looking good for real. So yeah, let me just knead this up some more. Alright guys, you're ready. You're ready to drop in. Alright, as you can see, the water is boiling up. Time to drop. It's one. I almost burned myself. It's 2, 3, 4. And let me drop the rest. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That should do. And I'm going to give them about 25 to 30 minutes, about that. And it depends on how you make them, because some people make them real big, real fat, so it takes a longer time to cook, and some people make them real thin, so they're easier to cook. But I'm gonna give it like about 25 to 30, and when they're done, trust me, they're gonna float. So you won't know when they're done. They're going to float. So there you have it. That's how you make Antiguan style sweet potato. Alright guys, as you can see, they are floating. That means they're done. Yeah, show you. Make sure you wait until they all the way cool off, because come on, you can't eat them hot. They're not gonna taste good hot. You gotta wait until they completely cool down to eat them. So yeah, I'm gonna take this off. I'm gonna take off the fire too. Alright guys, these are the finishing touch. As you can see, they're not all the way cool. This is the finishing touch. Just wait until they cool down, and you can eat it. Because if you try to eat it hot, you're not gonna really taste. You're gonna taste some of the flavor, but it's better when it's 100% cool. So yeah, there you have it. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. I appreciate the love and support. And that's how you make Antiguan style sweet potato dumpling. Yes. Chef Night is in the building, and I'm about to exit out of here. For real. Peace. Take care, and God bless until I upload another amazing video. You feel me? Yeah, I'm gonna give you guys another look. Just like this, guys. Just like that. Yeah. Just like that, guys. Just like that.